So over the years, we've had Range Rovers, Discoveries, Audis, M5, Bentleys, so all gas guzzlers. But for Bossway, we've now got this. Our new electric VW ID Buzz. So this we are going to develop a kit for in the back. So we're going to have campervan furniture to go in the back. We are going to put alloy wheels on this. We're going to wrap it. We're not sure if we're going to do a half wrap or whether it's going to be a full wrap. But this is basically to hide everything when we go to the shows. So we're going to be doing a lot of motorhome shows this year, and all the boxes of leaflets and all that sort of stuff that we don't want to look messy on the stand are going to end up in the back of this van when we're at all the shows. But while we've got the van, we might as well develop a kit for it. So we're going to 3D scan the back of the van, design a nice kit for it, maybe a few even, pull-out drawer with a bike on, something like that. But that is the plan for this. So this is going to be my new daily. So no more Discovery that we've had for like 8 years, no more Range Rovers, no more Bentleys, no more M5s, all those gas guzzlers. I'm going to be going to and from work in this electric ID Buzz, and it's brand new. we've just got it, and I absolutely love it. So we've now done, since it was delivered, we've done about 100 miles in it. They do 0 to 60 in just shy of 7 seconds, but the power is absolutely instant, so it's really good fun. This one has got twin heated front seats, it's got cruise control, lane assist, all that sort of stuff, colour-coded bumpers, so it's a good spec one, and we're going to look forward to sharing content with you about how we're going to convert the back of these ID buzzes. Now, on these vans, I'll show you in the back, excuse the bags and the filming equipment. So that's the back of the buzz, and what we're going to do is develop a kit where it's going to screw down to the original factory tie down holes, so you'll be able to remove the kit and put it back to completely standard. So the idea is we're going to have like a small kitchen, like an L-shaped lounge in here that you can pull out to be a bed, and we'll also do one where you can slide out and have like your mountain bike or racing bike on there as well. So I'm going to develop the kits for it. So they have twin sliding doors on both sides, obviously, so they're a really good versatile van. They're 2.2 meters long in the back, quite nice and wide, and then in the front there we've actually got a single and a twin seat. You can get 2 single seats. They have a range of around 280 miles if you're careful. We're probably around 230, 250 really, the way we're driving it at the moment, but we're looking forward to getting some wheels on it because they are plastic trims on there, and then we're not sure if we're going to wrap the top half black and then put all of our logos on the side, or whether we're going to go for a full wrap on it. We're not sure yet, but yeah, we're going to bring you along for all the content we're going to do on this new VW ID Buzz. So welcome to my new work vehicle.